back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a foundation review. I recently bought a foundation which is the Maybelline New York Superstay Foundation. You can see that? Yeah. So I just want to test this foundation out. I'm not one to jump from foundation to foundation, but I figured, you know what, I need to test all the foundation that I can get my hands on and see which one is perfect for me, because I can't just keep using the same ones. So that's why I bought this Maybelline foundation. I literally had to go all over Harare to find this. It's so hard to find a foundation that's my shade in Zimbabwe. Like, I think I'm not too light to be with the light people, neither am I too dark to be with the dark people. So I'm like just in between, and the in-betweens are just hard to find. So yeah, the foundation is it's supposed to be like a full coverage foundation. So this is the one that I used to get this look that I have today. So yeah, let's get into it. So by the way, please subscribe to my channel. And I'm so sorry for not filming, but from now on I'm going to be filming videos every other Monday and Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You subscribe, like, and share my videos, and I'll love you for that. So later. So this is the Maybelline, this is the foundation, it's the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and I'm in the shade Caramel. So I literally just picked this up. I didn't even taste for my shade or anything because they didn't have testers anyway. So I just picked it up, and yeah. So I've already put on my eyebrows, and yeah. So okay, let's read about what it claims. I'm just reading from my phone, by the way. It says that Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation delivers 24-hour wear for concentrated coverage and a flawless finish that doesn't fade or shift all day. The benefits of it is that you can be your own professional makeup artist with Maybelline's full coverage 24-hour foundation. Saturated color pigments provide an ultra-transforming effect on this long-lasting foundation. The lightweight yet high-impact coverage formula glides into the skin for a flawless makeup finish that lasts all day, oil-free, doesn't clog pores, and dermatologist tasted. So that's what the Superstay, that's what the people at Maybelline claim that their foundation works. So yeah, let's just start with it. So before I put on my foundation, I like to use this Ndanaka face oil. Yeah. I'm going to do a review on this oil a little bit later. I love this oil, so I'm going to put just a little bit. Yep, just a little bit. My face tends to get dry, so I just like to put this oil, and it makes my face a little bit moist and not get so dry. So yeah, and after putting my oil, I like to use my Makeup Revolution Aqua primer. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Just dab it in. So I'm just gonna be doing the exact same thing that I do when I'm using my other foundation. I used to use the, what was it? Okay, if I remember its name, I'll tell you. My face looks so oily right now, so yeah. So after that, I like to put my concealer. I use the Volt concealer. Trust me, I swear by this concealer. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face to cover my dark spots. So it's so crazy that there are less foundations in Harare. Like, you really can't find foundation especially if you're like me. I've got like really dry skin, and I like liquid foundation. So the ones that I get are either too dark or too light. I'm like one of those people who are in between shades. So most makeup brands, they usually create like a warm and cool tone foundation. So every time I'm like in between the cool and warm, so they never get, they literally never get it right for me. I don't know, it's just me. Oh yeah, this is just my mirror. Oh, so you guys can see how that, like, my setup is a little different right now. I'm in my office. I'm excited about that. I need to do like a whole video of what I've been up to and everything, because I know I've been scarce. Like, I've been really scarce. So I can do a video of what I've been up to. I'm gonna show you my office, and yeah. So I literally just put this all over my face because my dark spots are just so many. Right, so I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. My beauty blender is always dirty every time I try filming. But I swear I washed it the other day. Like, I literally wash my brushes once every week because I've got problematic skin. So I really need to keep my brushes clean so that I don't break out. I haven't been breaking out lately. Like, if you can see my face, I haven't been breaking out. Like, if you really know me, you know I'm like super prone to breaking out. Like right now I can only see, I think this one, it's more protruding. I haven't been breaking out. It's a good thing. So yeah, now that I'm done, let's see if it's full coverage and if it's really lightweight. So it's got a pump on it. Oh, I've used this before. I've used it before, just trying it out, the shade. Okay, so it's got a little pump. If you can see, I love it when foundation has a pump, because sometimes you just want it to be easy. So I'm just put it all over my face. So using my brush, which one's my brush? Okay, using this brush, I like to put a little bit of primer on it. Okay, a lot of primer on it. It's lightweight. It's really lightweight. I'm not so sure if it's covering my spots yet. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Can you see it? Back here. Oh, it's coming out right. Like, it really matches my skin. Like, oh, this is the foundation for me. Oh God, I love this. Look at it. Like, it's really blending in with my skin. Like, I'm so in love with this. I'm in love, baby. I can't sing, guys. I can't sing. So, yeah. Alright, I think it's really... Right, the coverage is there, but I think I'm just gonna add on a little bit since it's lightweight. It's really lightweight, so I can go away with just putting a little bit more. So I just put a little bit on my brush. Let me just like dab it all in on my problematic cheeks. So it's actually not matte. It's not matte. I prefer my foundations matte. So this one is not matte at all. I wish I hadn't put on my oil because it's not matte. Oh God. Okay, now it's full coverage. Like, can you see that? I'm like, I've got a cold. Not so cold, I've got hay fever, so I'm the one who opened the store today, and I think it's a bit dusty, so yeah. Alright. it. So after dabbing it in like that, I just like to take my beauty blender and do the same motion of just dabbing it in. Oh, I like it. I like it. Oh God. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so now I'm done putting on my foundation, and I really love this foundation. It looks so nice. It's really not matte, like I don't know, but I'm literally like a dry skin person, so I'm pretty sure I won't be oily and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go off camera and put on the rest of my makeup and then come back with the full look. So guys, I'm back. So I've just finished putting on my full face makeup. I just put on some eyeshadow and some lipstick. Back to the foundation. Let me just put it on me. The Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. So as it says that it's lightweight. True, it's very lightweight. Like I was able to build it up. And also it says that it's full coverage. It is full coverage. For me, I've got so much spots on my face, so I really like the full coverage foundation. And what I did with this is I ended up what's it called? I ended up putting another layer of foundation to make it like super full coverage. But then instead of doing that, I guess I could put on my orange concealer. I didn't want to put on my orange concealer because I know these days I'm really not feeling that whole shebang thing. So yeah, it looks. But I really love this foundation, and I love that it's really my skin, my tone of foundation. It's not warm, it's not cold, it's just like in between. It's literally me, and I really love this, guys. Like, it's now my go-to foundation, my everyday foundation. So did I tell you where I bought it? No, I bought this at Groombridge Pharmacy. There's a pharmacy that's inside the whole Groombridge building. I'm not sure. I think it's a Kenlink, if I'm not mistaken. They did have testers, and they also had a few shades. This has, I think it has 12 to 18 shades. I'm not sure. And they said that their testers are going to come in soon. They just wanted to give it like a test run. But that's the only place that I found this foundation. But I guess you can even go to, if it's a Kenlink, then you can even go to other Kenlink stores and you will definitely find it. And even if you don't find it, you just need to ask the people. They'll tell you which branch of them has it. Like, this is the best foundation. It's not matte as such. Like, it's okay. It's not so dewy, and it's not matte. It's just like normal. I ended up putting powder on it to like set it up, but then that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to you later.